Good morning, dear kids. Today I am taking your exercise 11B, question number 9, which says subtract the second expression from the first. By far now what we were doing were the addition of expressions, but now we will be starting with subtractions of two expressions. Okay. Now what they have said, you have to subtract second from the first. Which is the first? So 2a plus b is your first expression. Put a bracket. Then subtract your second expression. Which is the second expression? A plus b. That means I am subtracting 2a plus b, which is my first expression, and a plus b, which is my second expression. Always remember, when you have subtraction, what you have to do is your first bracket will be same. When you open up the second bracket, your inside sign will change. That means minus a minus b. Got my point clear? Now you take the like terms together, that is 2a minus a and plus b minus b. Yes, my dear kids, are you getting my point clear? So that will be 2a minus a, that will be 1a plus b minus b will be 0. The final answer will be a. Got my point clear, kids? Okay, let's jump on to next. In my next, the first expression is minus 2b plus 2c, and I have to subtract, so I'll put a subtraction sign, and my second expression is b plus 3c. Now take minus 2b plus 2c as it is. When you open the inside bracket, it will be minus b minus 3c. That means the inside sign will change when you open the bracket. Yes, because minus sign is multiplying with this plus and becoming minus. Got my point clear? So now you take like terms together, and you will have minus 2b plus 1b will be minus 3b, and plus 2c minus plus 2c minus 3c will be minus 1c. So that's your final answer. Got my point clear? Your third problem will be your homework. I'll jump on to fourth, which has the first one, a3 minus 1 plus a. This is your first expression. I'll put a subtraction sign, and your second expression is 3a minus 2a square. Now you have to open up the bracket. Your first expression will be as it is with no change of sign, but your second expression, this sign will change to plus because there's a subtraction here outside. Got my point clear? Now keep your like terms together. So there's no like with a3, I'll keep it as it is. Then with a, I'll take minus 3a. And then with 2a square, there's nothing, I'll keep it as it is. With 1, you have nothing, I'll keep it as it is. So you will have a cube minus 2a plus 2a square minus 1. Got my point clear? Let's jump on to next, that is p plus 2 is your first term. Put a subtraction sign, and your second term is just 1. So your answer will be p plus 2 minus 1. Yes, my dear kids. So it will be p plus 1. Plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. I hope you are getting it clear. Okay, let's jump on to next. Similarly, we have many here. Okay. In that, one more I'll take of your textbooks we have. You have to subtract 3a square minus 8ab minus 2b square, and your another expression is 3a square minus 4ab plus 6b square. Yes, kids, keep your first term as it is, first expression as it is. Put a subtraction sign because we are subtracting two expressions, so put a subtraction sign. Then again keep your first expression as it is. Now you have a minus sign, so inside all the signs will change. That will be plus 4ab minus 6b square. Now take your all like terms together, 3a square minus 3a square minus 8ab plus 4ab minus 2b square minus 6b square minus 3a square minus 3a square will cut off because 0 will be the answer. minus 8ab plus 4ab will be minus 2ab, and minus 2 minus 6 will be 8 with minus sign. So 8b square, minus 8b square. Is that clear, kids? Okay. Next, I'll take the rest of the problems of question number 9. You have to complete on your own. Next, I will take question number 10, which says subtract 4x from this. My dear kids, if I say you to subtract 10 from 15, how you will write it? You will write it 15 minus 10. तो जो from के बाद वाला नंबर होता है उसको हम लोग पहले डालते हैं. क्लियर? तो सिमिलरली फ्रॉम के बाद वाला जो एक्सप्रेशन होगा उसको हमें पहले डालना है. सो फ्रॉम के बाद एक्सप्रेशन है 8 माइनस एक्स, तो आपको पहले वो लिखना है, फिर माइनस साइन सब्ट्रैक्शन की एंड देन 4x. गॉट माई पॉइंट क्लियर? सो नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट. 8 minus x minus 4x will be minus 5x. Okay, I'll take your next third problem which says minus 5a minus 2b. ये आपका पहला एक्सप्रेशन है और इसको आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है b plus 6c से. तो b plus 6c आपको पहले लिखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि फ्रॉम के बाद वाला जो एक्सप्रेशन है दैट कम्स अहेड. Okay, so then put a subtraction sign and then your this expression. Now open the bracket. As I said you, whenever you open the bracket, be very sure you change the sign. Minus minus plus, minus minus plus inside. So it will be plus 5a plus 2b. Now take a together. Do you have a? No. So I'll keep 5a as it is. Do you have a partner for b? Yes. Plus b plus 2b. Do you have a partner for c? So 6c has no partner. So your answer will be 5a plus 3b plus 6c. Got my point clear, kids? Okay, I'll jump on to fifth of this group. Okay, problem number fifth has दिस टर्म इज फर्स्ट एंड फ्रॉम के बाद वाला ये टर्म है, तो पहले मैं 4a माइनस बी माइनस 2c लिखूंगी, ब्रैकेट लगाऊंगी, फिर माइनस साइन, फिर 5a माइनस 3b प्लस 2c. करेक्ट? ओके, नाउ आई विल ओपन द ब्रैकेट. आई विल कीप माई फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन एज इट इज एंड आई विल चेंज द साइंस इनसाइड माई सेकेंड ब्रैकेट बिकॉज देयर इज अ सब्ट्रैक्शन आउटसाइड. नाउ टेक a टुगेदर, सो 4a माइनस 5a. Take b together, minus b plus 3b. Take cc together, minus 2c minus 2c. Correct? Now you have 4a minus 5a, that is minus 1a. Minus 1b plus 3b, that will be plus 2b. Minus 2c, that will be minus 4c. Got my point clear? Okay. Next I'll take from your books, we have problem number 7 I'll go for. This is question 10, problem number 7, which says you have to subtract 2x square minus 7xy minus y square from, you have to subtract from 3x square minus 5xy plus 3y square. Yes kids, जो बाद वाला एक्सप्रेशन है उसको पहले लिखना है, 3x square minus 5xy plus 3y square. Put a bracket, put subtraction sign because we have to subtract, and your first expression you have to take it here. Okay, now open the bracket. So your first expression will be same, and then you have minus sign, and now inside signs will change. Minus 7xy will become plus 7xy, and minus y square will become plus y square. Now take your like terms together. 3x square minus 2x square minus 5xy plus 7xy plus 3y square and plus y square. 3x square minus 2x square will be 1x square. Minus 5xy plus 7xy will be plus 2xy. Plus 3y square plus 1y square will be plus 4y square. Isn't it easy? Similarly, you have to do your problem number 8, 9, 10, 10th of question number 10. Okay kids, I'll jump on to next, that is question number 11, which says you have to subtract this expression, but from where you have to subtract? You have to subtract from the sum of this and this. मतलब पहले इन दोनों का एडिशन कर दो. किसका एडिशन? 4a square plus 3 minus 8a प्लस 9a माइनस 7. फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसमें से आपको 5a स्क्वायर माइनस 3a प्लस 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन डू. फर्स्ट वी विल ऐड. सो 4a स्क्वायर प्लस 3 माइनस 8a plus 9a minus 7. There's an addition sign, so inside sign will not change. Minus 7 will be minus 7 only. Got my point clear? So 4a square, then you have minus 8a plus 9a. That will be plus 1a. Plus 3 minus 7 will be minus 4. So that's your answer for the addition of two expression. And now from this you have to subtract which expression? You have to subtract minus 5a square minus 3a plus 1. Got my point clear? Yes. So now you can open up the bracket. 4a square minus 1a minus 4. There's a minus sign. And here also minus. So minus minus will become plus 5a square. Minus minus will become plus 3a square. Sorry, 3a. And minus plus will become minus 1. Till here is the problem clear? Yes. Now you take a square together, a together and constant term together and get your answer. So the concept was very easy. You just have to follow what is written in the problem. The problem was saying that subtract this expression, whatever expression is given to you, from the sum of other two expressions. तो sum का मतलब होता है addition. तो पहले आप जो addition वाले terms हैं उनको add कर दो और वहाँ से आपके पास जो answer आएगा, जैसे कि मेरा answer आया 4a स्क्वायर प्लस 1a माइनस 4 और वहाँ से आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इसको. क्लियर है? ओके. आई जंप ऑन टू नेक्स्ट. योर नेक्स्ट इज बाय हाउ मच डज दिस एक्सप्रेशन एक्सीड्स दिस. जब हम एक्सीड की बात करते हैं तो एक्सीड का मतलब होता है सब्ट्रैक्शन. करेक्ट. यू हैव टू कीप योर फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन 8x क्यूब माइनस 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 9x माइनस 10. Put a subtraction sign. Exceed का मतलब होता है subtraction. And then write your second expression. That is this. Now open up the bracket, my dear kids. And if it is minus here, so as I said you, whenever you have minus, what you will do? You will change the inside sign. So this will become minus and this will become minus and this will become plus. And once you do all this stuff, you have to take all your like terms together and do the addition or subtraction. Okay? Can you do it on your own? Yes. Good. Next 13th we have what must be added to this to get this. अब बच्चों आप मुझे बताओ कि अगर मैं आपको दे रही हूँ what must be added to 5 to get 8. तो आप क्या करते हो? 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 should be added. करेक्ट. तो आपको जो ये टर्म दिया हो उसको पहले लिखते हो और ये वाले टर्म को आप बाद में लिख के सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो. तो वैसे ही करना है. व्हाट मस्ट बी एडेड टू दिस एक्सप्रेशन टू गेट दिस. दैट मीन्स आपको परफॉर्म तो सब्ट्रैक्शन ही करना है. ओके. और सब्ट्रैक्शन करते वक्त आपको आगे किसको लिखना है? तो आगे आपको a स्क्वायर माइनस a क्यूब प्लस 1 को लिखना है. फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन और फिर वो वाला एक्सप्रेशन 2a क्यूब प्लस 5a माइनस a स्क्वायर माइनस 6. And now you have to keep your first term as it is, first expression, sorry. And then open up the brackets. And the inside sign of your second expression will change because there's a negativity here. Yes. Okay. Now you have to take all your like terms together. So a square plus a square. Minus a के साथ minus 5a. Minus a cube के साथ minus 2a cube. और प्लस 1 कांस्टेंट के साथ प्लस 6. क्लियर? एंड नाउ माय डियर किड्स a स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर बन जाता है 2a स्क्वायर. माइनस 1a माइनस 5a बन जाता है माइनस 6a. माइनस 1a क्यूब माइनस 2a क्यूब बन जाता है माइनस 3a क्यूब और प्लस 1 प्लस 6 बन जाता है प्लस 7. सो दैट्स योर फाइनल आंसर. I'll take your 14th. What must be subtracted from this expression to get this? तो जो get के बाद है उसको पहले लिखना पड़ता है. So that will be minus 4ab plus 2b square आपको पहले लिखना है. फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन की साइन और फिर आपको a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab लिखना है. And then you have to open up the bracket. You will change the sign inside. That is, this will become minus and this will become minus. And then you have to take all like terms together. And if there are no like terms, then you have to keep it as it is. Okay? I'll jump on to problem number 15, which says फाइंड द एक्सेस ऑफ दिस ओवर दिस. कितना एक्सेस है? तो अगेन एक्सेस का मतलब होता है सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, सो आई विल टेक 4m स्क्वायर प्लस 4n स्क्वायर प्लस 4p स्क्वायर और फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन की साइन m स्क्वायर प्लस 3n स्क्वायर माइनस 5p स्क्वायर. गॉट माई पॉइंट क्लियर? नाउ 4m स्क्वायर प्लस 4n स्क्वायर प्लस 4p स्क्वायर माइनस m स्क्वायर माइनस 3n स्क्वायर प्लस 5p स्क्वायर. आपने देखा मैंने साइन चेंज करी? यस, यू हैव टू चेंज द साइन व्हेनेवर यू हैव सब्ट्रैक्शन आउटसाइड. गॉट माय पॉइंट क्लियर? नाउ यू हैव टू टेक m square together, n square together and p square together. So they are the like terms. Now 4m square minus 1m square, that will be 3m square, plus 4n square minus 3n square, that will be 1n square. 5p square and 4p square will be plus में है तो ये बन जाएगा 9p square. So that's your answer. Got my point clear, kids? Okay, shall we pack up here? God bless.